there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy, and here we learn how to make our own clothes for cheap. So if you would love to learn about all that, make sure to subscribe down below. Today I'm going to be making a Mrs. Santa Claus outfit. I'm really excited. It's the festive season and one of my favorite seasons. So last year I made this beautiful bodycon dress, and this year I'm going to be making a corset dress with like a fur trim at the top and at the bottom. Well, I already said it's a Mrs. Santa Claus outfit. So I saw the Ambrosia dress by Mood Fabric and I was like, this is going to make the perfect dress. It has a corset, it has those loose sleeves, it's like a straight dress, and it has the V kind of waistline that I'm into right now. And then at the thrift store I saw this very beautiful velvet like curtain, and I was like, yeah, that is really going to work. And then I looked around for something that I would use as the fur trim, and I got this really beautiful soft pillowcase that is going to be enough. Hopefully this is the size of it. And I have some boning in the house, and I have some foam that will be used for the cups. So let's get to cutting everything out. Pattern pieces are cut out and here they are. So I have every single part that I need. I have my front piece, it has a weird shape. I have my two back pieces, and I have my 4 cup pieces. I also have my quote-unquote sleeve pieces, and I have my 2 front pieces, my 1 front piece and my 2 back pieces. I also went ahead and cut out my boning channels, and I cut out my boning pieces as well. These are the boning pieces that I'm going to be using. And now let's get to sewing. So I'm going to start with the cup dart that is at the top. It's time to add the boning channels. So I have my placement marked, and I have my pieces pressed, as you can see. So I'm just going to be top stitching onto the fabric on the wrong side.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. I can get every time I think about you, baby. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Head up to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm trying to make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's not.
Okay, so these are the boning channels. I have my front done, and I also have my back. The back has only 1 channel for each part. So now I want to insert my boning. I think it actually does look cute. It's not too prominent. I did a zigzag stitch so that at least this material can work for me. So let me insert the the boning. So this is the boning that I'm going to be using. Using polyester boning because I do not want it to be so stiff. So the boning is inserted, and I think it's really cute given that I used polyester boning. Now I'm going to try and insert the cups at this point so that I can come back and sew the side seams.
Worst ways, oh baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby, cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more.
This is the waist, and now what is left is attaching the zipper and finishing everything else. Now I do not have a red zipper, I do have this black hidden zipper, and I think I can get away with it. So I'm going to insert this, and I'm going to use this foot right here. It's an invisible zipper foot, and it will help me get really close to the teeth, and it will actually be hidden. So let me do that and figure out how I'm going to finish everything, because this fabric frays so much. So the zip is inserted, and I also went ahead and finished this bottom part. So as I said, it's going to be totally hidden, and this is how it looks. It's not that visible even when I wear it. So now I'm going to finish up the cups and then insert the strap, and then I can go ahead and trim all these boning pieces.
Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off, but I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah, but we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can meet me in the next life and the next one again. Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off, but really I'm just passing the time. If you end me up in the middle of the night, you know I'm on self-respect, cause out the door, straight through the wall.
The dress is complete, and this is how it looks. Honestly, I love it so much, and I was thinking of just leaving it like this, but in the beginning we said you're making Mrs. Santa Claus dressed, so I'm going to add the white furry bit at the top here, cover up the entire bust area, and then add another piece at the bottom so that it looks really cute and festive. So I have two pieces. I have this big piece right here, and this is what is going to be at the top. I'm going to be covering the entire top area. I'm going to just do a bit of gathering at the end so that it can take shape. And then this right here is the bit that is going to go at the bottom. So I'm just going to be hand sewing everything, just tucking it in place, and then I'll show you how it looks. The dress is done, and this is how it looks. This is the top and this is the bottom. I just hand stitched those pieces together. I also went ahead, whipped up a center heart really quick. So let me just show you the final look, but before that, this is everything I wish I would have done different. The first and the major thing is I wish I had fully lined this dress. Honestly, it would have saved me a lot of time trying to hide those raw edges, trying to figure out what to do to make sure that everything is enclosed. It would have saved me a lot of time. Again, I wish I had sized down on the skirt. I am a size 10 at the top and a size 12 at the bottom when it comes to mood society patterns, but this time I wish I had just cut out one size for the skirt and the top as well, because I ended up taking a lot off, and once you see it, you'll see that it's not tight or it's not that fitted as I wish it would be. But other than that, it's a really cute. One thing I hated about this entire project is that everything frayed so much. My house is full of red and white beads, and my outfit, my hair, everything is colored, so I hated that part. But with all that being said, I really love how this dress has turned out. You're going to see me without the whole white fuzziness someday. That's because I might take that off and just rock the dress because it looks so amazing underneath, and I love it. Now, before I get to show you the entire look, please make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and also share with a friend for them to see what I'm doing right here. And this is how my dress turned out.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how